What's up, everybody? It's your friend 𝘠𝘬𝘢𝐬𝐿 here, Ricky the Realtor with Boulevard Real Estate Alvarez and Associates. And I'm all bundled up today because guess what's right around the corner from fall? Winter, guys. And we got to stay prepared. So this message goes out to all you homeowners out there, all you future homeowners out there, and all those people who thinking about buying a home. This is just a little bit of a reminder. Want to just give you guys some tips and tricks to winterize your home. So this is episode number 43 now of Raw and Uncut Real Estate with your host, 𝘠𝘬𝘢𝐬𝐿, Ricky the Realtor here. And first and foremost, guys, thanks for joining us. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys very, very much. And more than anything, just want to give you some tips and tricks. Winter is right around the corner. We're going to get a bunch of rain. If you guys didn't already notice, last week was crazy. It was raining. Had my hat on, had my scarf on, had my jacket, my umbrella. I was ready. But you know what? Your home needs to be ready. So just giving you guys some tips and tricks. Make sure you check your sprinklers. Make sure you're not overwatering your plants and you're not wasting water. Also, check your gutters, guys. If you see it slowly trickling down, there's some leaves in there. Clean out those gutters. And just make sure you guys are looking out for leaks, pooling water. You don't want water to pool at your home. That's going to go underneath your foundation, create issues. You don't want that to happen. So look out for standing water. Look out for slow gutters. Also, look out for anything that's leaking, anything that's stained. That may mean there's a leak in the attic and that water's seeping through. So just giving you guys some tips and tricks of what to look out for. It's always good to do a winter inspection as well. Contact us. We have some amazing inspectors that will get out to your house, that will go through everything with you to ensure that you're being proactive. Because if you're being proactive, those little problems won't become big problems and won't be extremely expensive down the road. So make sure you're taking a good eye at keeping a good eye on your home, because you definitely want it to last long. You definitely don't want to pay any expensive repairs more than anything. It's your home, so take care of it. So just a little quick tip on how to winterize your home and be prepared this winter from your friend 𝘠𝘬𝘢𝐬𝐿. Whether you're working with us or not, we're always here to help you, give you some tips and tricks, and just make sure that you're well educated in this crazy market, and in this case, that you're a well educated homeowner and future homeowner. So thank you again, guys. It was a pleasure, and we'll see you soon. Take care.